Born on April 11, 1899, Percy Julian made the best out of the limited academic opportunities available to African Americans of the time. Attending elementary and high school in his native Alabama, Julian was then accepted into Indiana's DePaul University. There he began as a probationary student, having to take higher-level high school classes along with his freshman and sophomore course load. He ultimately went on to be named class valedictorian. Though at the top of his class, he was discouraged from pursuing graduate school because of potential racial sentiment on the part of future co-workers and employers. He instead took a teaching position at a black college in Tennessee. Thankfully, this compromise was to be short-lived. 2 years later, Julian was awarded a fellowship, enabling him to earn his master's degree from Harvard. From there, Julian traveled to Vienna, receiving his PhD in organic chemistry and beginning his experiments with the soybean, which was to become the cornerstone of his many scientific achievements. From the soybean, Julian developed aerofoam, a flame retardant used by the United States Navy that helped save the lives of countless sailors during World War II. Next, he discovered an inexpensive way to develop male and female hormones from soybeans, which were used to prevent miscarriages and fight certain cancers. Among Julian's greatest contributions was developing a synthetic version of cortisone, which greatly relieved the pain of rheumatoid arthritis. Actual cortisone was extremely costly to cultivate and therefore available only to the very rich. With Julian's discovery of a soy-based substitute, millions of sufferers around the world found relief at a reasonable price. A resident of the Windy City since 1935, Julian's significant work garnered him the title of Chicagoan of the Year in 1950. While the honor should have signaled Julian's acceptance by his white counterparts in his field and his community, it did not. When he purchased a home for his family in Oak Park, it was set on fire by an arsonist on Thanksgiving Day in 1951. A year later, dynamite was thrown from a passing car and exploded outside the bedroom window of Percy's children. Once again, Julian persevered, refusing to buckle to the tide of racism. He stayed in Oak Park, becoming a catalyst for the integration and diversity that Oak Park is now known for.